Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I have a lot of you guys asking me questions on my tombrown videos, whether I do supply people so that they can also sell. So here I am trying to make this video to inform you how I can be of help. Yes, so tombrown business is very lucrative, but then the process of making it is kind of tedious. So a lot of people tend to run away from it. But I am here to help, okay? With any other help that you think you need, please always comment on my videos, okay? So this is me trying to show you how I can supply you my tombrown in large quantities. This is not really like a large quantity, but then those who want to start very small, yes, you can watch this video to the end, okay? And you are going to understand, you are going to know how I will be able to supply you in large quantities, okay? So as you can see from the video, I am using this bowl for measurement, and this is basically a bowl. We call it bowl, okay, in the northern part of Ghana. This is what we use to measure powders. We used to measure cereals and a whole lot of grains in the northern part of Ghana. So yes, so this nylon rubber that you've seen there is what I use to package my tombrown if I usually supply my wholesale customers, okay? Usually people who want to buy in large quantities to repackage and then sell, this is how I do it for them. Yes, I've been doing it for some time now, but then I actually didn't make a video about it, so I was like, why not just make a short video and show to you guys. This is the measurement that I use if I usually want to sell to my customers who also want to repackage and sell, okay? So this particular bowl, that is what I use to measure. By the way, this is the date and tiger nut mixed tombrown. Yes, and other tombrown recipes too is available if you want. You can always mention the ingredients that you want me to make the tombrown for you to sell in case you want it in large quantities. Yes, so this is the 6 cereal mixed tombrown. Yes, that's the date and tiger nut mixed tombrown. So this nylon rubber contains about 6 of these bowls, okay, 6 of these bowls, these large bowls that I'm measuring with. And of course, if you want to know the price, you can link me on, you can chat me on IG, or you can just comment below. I will get you my contact and then we will start business, okay? So the least I can supply you is this nylon rubber. That's 6 of the bowls. Yes. So I am in the northern part of Ghana. Wherever you are and you want tombrown in large quantities, I can supply you, okay? I can supply you. So just link up, just link up. Others will be like, is there profit in this business? Yes, even if I produce for you, you are going to get a lot of profit from it, because this is not just any ordinary tombrown. This is a special mixed tombrown, which is good for babies and adults. Anybody at all can take it, okay? And people who are even diabetic and do not like to take that much added sugars, because date and tiger nut contains some amount of sugar. So you can actually take this when you prepare the porridge with this powder. You can take it without adding any other sugar, okay? Because date, of course, has high glycemic index, and at least because it's a fruit, kind of healthier than added sugars. So yes, I actually do this for my wholesale customers who want to repackage. So I have customers who buy like 3 of these bags. They buy 3, 4, 5, okay? So link up, if just comment below if you want to know the price, because videos are timely. If I mention the price here, in some few months, of course, there's going to be price change. Yeah, so prices are not constant, because the video can be there for years. I don't know which year you are going to watch this, but kindly let me know below where you are watching from and if you really want to start tombrown business. Yes, I am grateful. I am grateful to all who have joined this platform, all who have watched me through my tombrown videos and also other videos. if you really want to get serious with business, just link up, okay? Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. I've been seeing a lot of massive support. If you're watching me and this is your first time, kindly just subscribe, because you are going to be learning a lot, and you are going to be learning a lot from this channel. Thank you so much for watching. And by the way, I just want to say, kindly share this video for others to benefit. Thank you and bye.